Hello everyone, I'm Sai and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Guru. In this video I'll be talking about the MIUI update and size and the features which I got in this MI11X smartphone, as you can see. So which is also called as the Redmi K40 and the Poco F3 as well. So in this video I'll try to explore the size and the features alone. But in the next upcoming days I'll try to explore more and more things about the MIUI 12.5 in this smartphone, testing the battery, testing the performance and lot of other features which are included. And I did create a separate playlist for the MIUI 12.5 features alone. So in case if you're curious to know each and every category which is the best and what are the tips and tricks about the MIUI 12.5, so make sure to check this video, friends. This playlist will be very much helpful for you all. So let's begin this kind of test which I'm going to do right now. So about the size and the features in this smartphone. So let me try to quickly show you, friends, what are the update size and features. As you can see, friends, the update size is of only 306 MB at the moment, as you can see here, and my previous version is about 12.0.8 version, and definitely, friends, the Indian variant will also be receiving this kind of MIUI 12.5 update very soon. But meanwhile, I'll try to keep on posting the videos about this performance and the battery life of this particular model. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for those videos if you're interested. So let me try to click download as well, and meanwhile we can continue the recent highlights and all the features which they got changed. Obviously in the new MIUI 12.5 there are plenty of things which got changed in terms of the animations and haptic feedback as well, as you can see. So haptic feedback brings a new dimension to familiarize action. So I'll try to even explore this particular option, so which is the haptic feedback thing. So next is system sounds. As I did a separate video on the system sounds, so there are so many sounds which got implemented, friends. I think close to so many ringtones, 100 plus sounds were included in this MIUI 12.5. so make sure to check this video, you'll understand more. Even the super wallpapers, so there are, I think, 5 different super wallpapers which are available. Already I did a video on that particular topic. So regarding the privacy, I'll try to do the separate video. So till now I did not do any video on this particular privacy topic, but definitely I'll keep in mind about doing this kind of privacy topic separate video as well. So next, notes application got also changed, as you can see here, some different gestures and new layouts and everything. Even I'll try to explore the notes application and the floating windows. So instant messages are now supporting the floating windows. So floating windows can be quickly replaced with the full screen versions of the apps. So all this kind of information regarding the floating windows. So even I did not test the floating windows in the MIUI 12.5. I'll try to even do that as well. So right now in the home screen there's an option, as you can see, there are different animations going on and layout for the folders as well, and Xiaomi Cloud and IME and the themes, browser, search. So these are the few other things which are included here with this kind of update. As you can clearly see here, friends, these are the few updates which I have received. So definitely the Indian version MI11X will be receiving the MIUI 12.5 update very soon. But meanwhile, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned. Even the Redmi K40 and the Poco F3, those phones also will be receiving the same. So all these 3 smartphones will have the similar kind of performance. So one by one they will try to receive the MIUI 12.5 update. So meanwhile, stay tuned for my channel. As you can see, friends, right now it's updating at the moment. So again, I'll be back after another video testing the Antutu benchmark test results, testing the performance levels, testing the battery life and all those details. So thank you for watching this video, friends, and that's it for this video. And the update size is pretty small. It's only 306 MB. It's not that big size which I did expect to be. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.